Hello again, everyone. Today I am here with an unboxing from a Japanese stationery store on Etsy called Someday Someplace. And I ordered this stuff quite a while ago, and because it wasn't sent via FedEx, it was a little slow getting to me just because mail from Japan is a little erratic right now. So I'm not going to show you the front of the package just because of the address and everything, but I do want to show you, let's see if I can get that in the frame there, all these lovely stamps that were included on here. Japan has such beautiful stationery all around, so it's always kind of nice to get a package from there. All right, so here is my little package here. Put that off to the side. So let's see. Oh, and I got a Japanese souvenir. I'm gonna open that first and see. Because I'm guessing this was stuff that I did not actually order and came. I've ordered from this place before and they've been really super sweet. Oh, so some little washi samples. These are actually really pretty. So let me zoom in a little bit generally so that I can get closer. So here you go. Yeah, some lovely birds in flight up here, and then some sea life. Let's see. There you go. Very cute. It's always nice to have extra washi. Although it looks like, as you can see, I got plenty. And it looks like there is a whole package of washi tape in here, which is like a little beach scene. That's super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open these as I get them. It's gonna be a little noisy, just FYI, because there is a lot of wrapping, and I'm gonna save these little stickers off to the side here so I can put them in my planner. But like I said, there's gonna be some crinkling. Those of you that like crinkling, you're in for a lot of crinkling today. Okay. Well, that is so sweet to send an extra little washi tape. Okay, so, and let me actually get in here even more since some of the things I have are fairly small. I think that might have been too much. There you go. So this is a little beach scene. There, it's the shore with the water lapping up, and there's a little message in a bottle, perhaps. Although I don't see a message in it, but still, very cute. Looks like this is from Worldcraft. Okay, I'm gonna put that off to the side. So those were extras, which is super sweet. I'm just gonna kind of put all the trash off to the side here and clean that up later. But let's get into the main event. And I did get a lot of washi. And this is actually a very cute little plastic bag here. I might end up keeping that to store other things in. And I did a little bit of a rabbit theme here. So we have at least 3 that have rabbits. That's these 3. And I will go ahead and open these one by one and show you. And I kind of like to, if I can, save this little round sticker that's on the top. It's not always possible because sometimes it rips. There we go. And of course, that's not the side where it is wrapped up. Okay. And it looks like it's fairly transparent. So let's see if I can find the end and take a little bit off here. Ooh, this might end up taking a while to find the end. Oh, that's it, I think. Okay. So it's these beautiful flowers with these little bunnies. And I like anything bunny rabbit themed. And these were really cute because I had not seen these styles anywhere. And again, save that little sticker. And this one is a little more opaque so you can see the design there. It's like little rabbits in a moon kind of a design. Super pretty. Okay, and then this one is like a little rabbit snow scene. I'm gonna have such fun little stickers to put in my planner today. Assuming I can You're gonna see me struggling a little bit. I don't have very long nails right now, so it's kind of hard to get them started. Okay. I don't have to be as careful with the back because I'm not going to keep them. And the thing with washi tape is I don't think I've ever seen, other than maybe some really popular ones, I don't think I've ever seen the same design twice at a washi tape place. So it is kind of individual, but it takes forever to get through a roll of washi. Okay, since this one was a little bit see-through, there you go. Little snow scene with all these little rabbits, so sweet. And generally what I'm using washi for is to decorate my planner. I don't really use them for anything else. Although sometimes if I'm like closing a letter or something, I will use it to close the letter. Okay, so that's the end of the rabbit stuff, I think. And then these are more sort of like nature scenes. So this is foxes. Very cute. Okay, I probably won't open this one just because you can see it pretty well through the packaging here. It's very, very cute. Just different little fox silhouettes there. And then this one you can see through the packaging too. It's little moon designs. It's sort of a iridescent moon in the different phases, which is quite cute. Rabbits in the moon. You give me things like that and I will always get them generally. Okay, so this is another one I'll need to open, but this is koi fish in a little pond. And I thought that this one, oh, well, there goes that sticker. Okay, well, we won't save that one. It happens. I'll just have to put some of the tape itself. And I actually can see it pretty well, but I thought this was really cool. You've got these koi fish with the little water ripples. Really, really nice. Okay. And then, oh, let me make sure. Okay, I'll have to take that out so that you can't see my order information. Okay, and this one's just like a little, I don't know if this is supposed to be underwater or if it's just plants. Let's see if I can get that one and save it. Yay. It's too bad that the koi one broke. But, okay. Like I said, I'll just have to put a piece of the washi itself in there. So this one is just little plants. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be underwater plants or above water plants or sort of abstracted plants, but I thought it was really pretty. The color combination is really nice. Okay. And then this last one is little goldfish, which I also thought was very cute. This one you can't see very well without opening either. Oh, and that one's toast too. Okay, so no fish. No fish in the little rounds, but that's okay. And you can see here, the little goldfish. Just thought these were really fun, and this amount of washi will probably last me forever. Okay, so wait, let's see. I'm gonna take the invoice out. Okay, and then I got this really cute little thank you card. And they have little stamps that are like little pictures of animals. I actually do have one of a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel because that's what my dog is. And this is where I got it, I think. But so they did that and then a little bow stamp. And then, I don't know if that's a stamp or if they actually wrote thank you on there, but it's really sweet. Okay, and then this... Stay safe. Oh, that's really sweet. Okay, I will definitely need to put that in my planner as well. Oh, it's really knotted up. Okay, so I'm just going to take these off here. So this is a little letter and envelope set from Midori. It has these little bunny rabbit stickers. You can tell I was in a bunny mood because this is also letter paper with a rabbit on it. I don't even think I really need to open this because you can see the envelope is just this little, is this blue thing. So the opening is up here as opposed to this way. And then you can seal your envelope with a little bunny, or you can put it on inside on the letter, and then the paper for the letter has little bunnies up on the top, which is really cute. And then this was also letter paper. Right, let's see if I can just take that off. And like I said, I will definitely save that because that's really sweet. And then there you go. So that's a little letter paper. It has the lined thing that you see in there through the paper is just a letter guide. And I thought this was really cute paper. And then the envelopes have all these little flowers on them. So all Japanese stationery is just super, super cute. So let's get these back out. We've got the little stay safe thing, thank you, the extra washi as a sample, and then I'll just pile these up here. And then all these different washis. And of the shops on Etsy, this one had the biggest variety of washi that I could find, and they really have some fun designs. I really, really like them. All right. Well, that's all I had for you today. Actually, let me take that out of the frame so you don't see all that junk. All right, there you go. That's all I had for you today. So feel free to subscribe to keep track of future videos on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to ask below and I'll answer when I can. I hope to see you next time, but in the meantime, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.